Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share another Plan With Me video, and this time I'm going to be using this kit by Planning with Manny. It's so cute. It's called Fun and Funner. Obviously it's a spoof on Dumb and Dumber, which came out back in the 90s, and to be honest, I didn't watch this movie until like probably 10-12 years after it came out. The first time I saw it. I'm not a huge comedy movie person. I like dramas and actions and stuff like that. I don't like crying movies, and the comedy has to be a good comedy, and Jim Carrey movies I have to be in a specific mood to watch. And so the first time I actually watched this was with my two younger boys. And so I have 5 kids. So let me just give you the scenario here. So I've got the youngest is a girl, the middle one's a boy, the next one's a girl, and then the first two are boys. So the youngest boy and the middle boy are the ones that I watched this movie with, and at the time they were like, one was a teenager and one was like a pre-teenager, and they just thought this was the funniest thing ever. They laughed so hard. They loved this movie. Of course, they loved all Jim Carrey movies back then. They thought he was hilarious. And so that is why I'm using this kit on this particular week. So this is going to be for the 19th through the 25th of July, and this is when they are coming to visit. One's coming to visit and one's coming to stay. So my youngest boy will be moving up here to go back to school, and the other one is bringing him. So he has a trailer in his truck, and he's going to put all of my youngest stuff on his trailer, and then he's going to bring it up here, and he's going to stay for the week and visit and help move him in, and then he'll be heading back home, and the youngest one will be staying here with me and his dad and his sister and now his niece, because his sister has a baby. And see my ugly writing on that page. Sorry. I was checking to see the dates, and I think I was checking to see what I did on that page. I forgot to bring the date dots over where I was doing my little planning session here, so I didn't put the date dots on, so that's why I'm telling you what the dates are for this week. So anyway, they're leaving on Monday. So they should be here by Tuesday or Wednesday at the latest. So that's why I'm using this kit for this week, because I thought it was just a really cute and a nice way to mark them coming up here and getting all moved in. So if you've never watched the movie, you don't need to. This planner gets adorable. You don't need to watch the movie to enjoy this kit. It's absolutely fantastic. I love all the little sayings. The sayings are little things that came from the movie, and they're adorable. The car cracks me up. I mean, it's just the whole thing. It's really cute. And you guys know I'm a Planet with Manny nut. So Manny's the dog, Owen's the cat, in case you're not familiar with this, and those are their pets. So the husband draws all the artwork, and Amy, his wife, puts it all together into kits, and she does some drawing herself. And I think they just do a fantastic job. So I'm going to kind of go through the little washi sheets that they have. Not washi sheets, kind of, yeah, I guess they're washi strips. And I'm going to turn them into like dividers, because I want this. I need these hats. I need this in my planner, but I really couldn't figure out or justify where I was going to put them, because I still need places to write, even though I have turned into a no white space planner. So I do use a lot of stickers. I love my stickers. I love looking at the spread with all the colors and all the different stickers on there. I just absolutely love the way it looks. And but I can't justify taking up that much space and not having any room to write, because I actually do have things to write. And I did mean to have the extender boxes ready for this plan with me, but I didn't. It's been too crazy busy this week with this. This is sale week for TPC. And so even though my shop, we weren't as busy as we usually are during the TPC sale, we're still busy enough for me not to have time to do extra things. I'm still cutting and printing and packaging and getting orders out. So and I don't have help this week, because I told Jolene that I could handle it myself, because it's not like it usually is. So I thought I could, but it's taking me a little longer than it usually does. So maybe next time I'll just be like, nah, come on over, help me out with this. So Mondays, this little tracker here is really good for me, because I have to take these silly supplements, vitamins, and all that kind of stuff every week. Plus there's a medication that I take once a week, and I only have to take it once a week. So that's my little tracker for my daily supplements and my once a week medication that I have to take. And so that works out perfectly for that. That's why that's on a Monday. And then these other boxes that I have fallen in love with, and not Planning with Manny isn't the only one that does these kind of boxes. Tilly B did them on the last spread that I did the last plan with me with, are these like kind of check boxes, but I don't really use them like lists. I just use them to put notes in. Sometimes I'll have little icons in there, scripts. It just depends on what I'm going to use it for. And so that's why, I mean, I use one of those on almost every single day because I love those boxes. The menu box also works out really well for me when I'm thinking about, because this is work week, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday are my work days, and so that menu box works out really good for me figuring out what I'm going to take for lunch to work every day. So that's why that's on Wednesday, because then I can figure out the week ahead what I'm going to bring. And then, these little flags are cute. And even though that does allow for a little tiny bit of white in there, I'll cover it up with something because I just can't have space anywhere. It just drives me crazy. I have to have a sticker on everything. And why not? Stickers are stinking adorable, so they should cover everything, everything. Even my cutting machines. So I have 4 cutting machines. I only have 2 printers at the moment because one of them got retired last week, and they are literally covered in stickers. It's actually kind of silly the way they look, but I like it, and I name them. I think everybody who has multiple cutters will tell you that they name them because you kind of have to in order to, in the cutting program, in order for you to pick the right printer, you should probably name your printer. So yeah, so one of them's name's, let's see, I've got Daisy, Zoe, Bella, and don't ask, Sam. I named it after my son's cat, Sam. So there's my 4 cutting machines, and it's on each one of the machine has its name on it along with a bunch of stickers. So yeah, love my stickers. This is a good, I love the TV in the Planning with Manny thing. I think I need to go and see if she has those, just the TV, and buy just a bunch of them because I love the look of that TV. It's a good size to where you can actually write in it what you're watching if you wanted to. And for that particular day, I have no idea what I'm going to be watching. I just needed this, I just needed to put that there. And so I did because I think the TV is adorable. There's actually a couple of them in this kit that you can use, but I only used one of them. I'm going to save the other one for another spread. So now I'm just going to keep going, keep putting down my stickers because, gotta put them all down. I'm not sure if actually I am sure. I'm sure I'm going to take some of these days off this week so that I can spend it with my boys because the older one will probably be leaving on the weekend. So I'm going to want to spend time with them. And there's a triple birthday. So my husband's birthday is in July, my son's birthday is in July, and my daughter's birthday is in the beginning of August. So it's a triple birthday. So we decided that on Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday that we were going to do it. If they were here on Tuesday, we were going to go to the lake and we were going to just have a lake day with the whole family. We were going to do the barbecue thing and just hang out at the lake all day because we have like our own little secret hideaway with a dock and everything where we go head down to the lake, and there's usually either no one or very few people there where we go. And so that's the plan for that day, and just have a nice day at the lake and this will be the first time that the baby is going to be in the water. So I bought her, she's only 4 months old, but I bought her this adorable little floaty with a cover over the top, and she's got her little sunglasses and her little hat. She's just got everything. She's gonna look so cute. I can't wait to take like a million pictures and then put them in my journal because I have to take like a ton of pictures. So yeah, that's going to be hopefully either Tuesday or Thursday. It's going to depend on what day they actually get here as to when we do that. It's our little lake birthday party. And yeah, so I'll probably definitely not be going to work a couple of these days. I don't know yet. We'll see. So here's where we're at so far, and it's already looking so awesome, just so awesome. Now I'm going to put my little sticker at the top, which is usually where I either put to do or this week or something like that. I have scripts that I put in there, and then I'm going to put down my deco pieces. Oh, that's right, this time I did the bubble. This just came out really perfect, but I think it says goals. That's what I ended up putting up there. I did that after. You'll see it in the photographs that I put goals in that in the little speech bubble, and then I have Manny and Owen under it. And then I'm just putting down the deco in each one of the boxes. I always use the sidebar. It's kind of like my little area where I put down some of the extra things that I need to remember for the week. And then that's pretty much going to do it, because now, see that other TV is so stinking cute? Because now all I need is to put my date dots on, put my days that I'm working in there, and that's it. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love the way this came out. It's super bright, absolutely gorgeous. I will see you again at the next plan with me. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.